The smarter web company has bought 225 new Bitcoins today. 30th of July, the share price has just closed at a bid price of £2.15, up 7% on yesterday. And guess what? Yes, there was the RNS this morning. Blow this up for you. The smarter web company purchases 225 Bitcoins. Total Bitcoin holdings of 2,050. Guess what? There's £500,000 only in cash left. What happened last time that was the case? Well, we know a book build happened shortly afterwards. Is there going to be a book build tomorrow? There's a high chance, in my opinion, a very high chance. And let's take a look at the share price. Let's look at the SWC chart. There you go, turned around. Yesterday we had the red. Today it's turned around. All of the treasuries are experiencing a turnaround today. Everything, the market seems to be moving in tandem. This is very interesting to see and observe. Volumes are still down. The US is still trading. Let's take a look at the US. Has popped right through to the $3 mark as we speak. And it wants to get back up to the levels it was at. Can it get over 3.1? But wanted to show you. So the MNAV, current trading MNAV there, looks to me like just over 3. We're just at over 3 on the MNAV and the price at £2.15. If the book build was to happen tomorrow, I am expecting that not to be at less than the previous book build price, which was at £2.95, which means that tomorrow, can the price during the day trade about 40%? That would be up on the day. Let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the SWC chart. There you go. You can see there's been 26% movement in the stock in a day. There was a 70% movement, obviously, at the height of the positive momentum. Yeah, 40% can easily move 40%. It moved from a low of 210 to a high of 305. Yeah, it can do. Tomorrow will be very interesting to see if there's a book build in the works. There's only £500,000 of cash left. Last time it happened, there was a book build. The ATM is still a week or so away, I would say. You wouldn't want to be banking on just the ATM at this stage. And if that was to materialize, that would line up with the plan that we've forecast here. With the previous month of June, we saw a total cash collected of about £90 million there, £88 million. So far in July, there's been £70 million. So it would be nice to get that back up to 88. That would make another book build in the region of £20 million. It can be done. And that would take the business to over its 2,200 Bitcoin mark. Let's take a look at the smarter website. You can see these graphs. Look at this purchase history, 18 purchase history. The last few weeks of Bitcoin buying has been around the 220 mark, 226, 275, 325. The last 2 weeks, 225 each. Next week, if you want to buy another 225 Bitcoins, you need the cash. The cash is coming. I have a feeling, a suspicion, there could be a big book build in the works. That would be amazing to see. Let's see what happens. Okay, moving across to X. The X investor base is pumping today. Everybody is on a high after that purchase and announcement. You can see, hey, anyone know why TSWCF is pumping right now? Well, if you listen to the Vostra channel, you will know why. Love this visual, says Jamie. Adam Livingston. Yes, everyone is out in force today. Les Sharma. Felix. I wanted to show, where's my tweet? I wanted to show you some calculations. Andy Smith there, Jamie, Scottish Mick, the usual suspects. Everyone is here today. It's amazing. Hey, micro to macro. Henry, James, John, Vostra. Did you see this? The Bitcoin price, average cost price, 81,346. The current price, around about 88,000 pounds. That is an unrealized gain of almost 14 million pounds. 14 million pounds in 3 months. Are there any other businesses you can start that can generate 14 million pounds in 3 months? And don't forget, the business has a very low cost base. So that is pure, almost pure profit. This is highlighting to you the power of the business model. And yes, there'll be people saying, oh, what if the Bitcoin price went the other way? But yeah, that's fine. Doesn't matter. It's only going one way long term. This mini example here just shows to you and proves to you the whole business model. This is just the beginning. 2,000 Bitcoins and this is happening. Imagine when the business stacks 10 times more, 100 times more. You cannot underestimate what is happening here. We have been reporting on this daily, weekly, and we are so deep into this now that we are forgetting that there are people out there that still do not understand what's going on. We are so early. We keep saying that, but all of the interviews that are coming out, everybody says the same thing. We're early, 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 early. This is it. There's nothing else to say. Bitcoins, cash, nothing else. Just keep your focus. Ciao. This is Vostra signing out. Bye.